And I said, Germany, Kofi, any other country, Brazil, Kofi, Black Star, who is Black Star to stay in the World Cup? Now, they say, how do we build a solid Black Star? Say, the players who do that, because of a Buchino, excuse my word, put me in your massam sound, job to do young campon, I've saluted this coach, my salute, my respecting of Papa, matured and a very good coach. So, coach, ultimately, generally, no kind of crazy. We have good players that say, Emerald Sooner World Cup, they are good local players. No, say foreign players, they will catch up very easily with the local players. That bench is no also. For you, we have a player, we have a influence because we were having good players at the bench than the players on the pitch. The whole captain, or two corner, me who be that. Now, they are midfielders. Now, they are midfielder, who go back on it. Who go back to ball is a ball. So we had a lot of mistakes. Only the first half, no, is anything. I think we are with this very much. The Oyadi or true experience. Because me, woman, dear, born and mentioned in though I love Black Star, but Benjamin Savage didn't mention ball. I just want God to push him somewhere. The back door on a problem. The war. The young players in their problem. Because the right players are there to be placed in the ball. But where we are on the interest, we are on the choice of player. Into dissolving the GFA, I don't think it can resolve it. But with the young players who buy 2, 3, 4 years, can help to build a local team and help to build the local players, to become the good players that we want.
I was I did not so much. So first time we have message from that most of that me. I know I saw the door on the council upload to what the only first person. Yeah, was a baby cat. I was saying, that's a way. Ghana Black Stars coach Eye Carlos what she said wadane ne dwuma dia to was head coach at the Black Stars abedi one year coach and from Black Stars bi na sem ba ko wo kan ye ya eno akwakofa enkomo e de aba no what she say Black Stars no say pese enya winner enye park no so enye pitch no so o say Black Stars win it goes beyond football pitch no e was say sha say fra bonten ne ya bonten ni ye ansa ene de aba field no so eno na nam so ama Prophet Kofi Odu enra one also other point arguing at the GF president na what said Black Stars no ebeko year I just said GF no ye dissolve ni na ye ko fa benefufo at the back because where they and our man year for league na ye national team no nipa ba ko pe and ofi local league ni and wo call ye and goalkeeper Benjamin Asare mo maka nyina no aye frefre ko bon ye fro no ko ba sa na e be ye then it's a solid team na ya gonna say ye kwa preview be e say World Cup abusia we any ensem wa ende yes, in Kunya, yeah, baby, at Sija show. Now, I didn't say a judge at all the day, the minute honorable Farouk, and then, yeah, baby, and Kumana, and Koyaman, your semene, about football, and Tikamo, Yamon, about Pabana, Yafa Kumono, and Sheshesu. Honorable, about the Mwakaba, Biaboko, I am Yadu, and you so, and then Yamias. Black Stars are with you. Oh, Black Stars feel by the obese any story. I know one was so much. And I said, Germany Kofi, any other country, Brazil, Kofi, Black Star, who is Black Star to stay in the World Cup. I didn't qualify for group stage because prophecies be brave by a young man. I don't know, it's not only didn't come and Prophet Darwin. Oh no, he prophesied, say, maybe need to, and Pastor Doka Ibiano. In a way, finally, no, see, we'll end our road there. And exactly that's what happened. So, Black Star coming home is never a story we should deliberate or discuss. But they say, how do we build a solid Black Star? Okay. They see them build this solid Black Star. Oh, Brazil, my team on the bar, the World Cup, a local team. 24 credit. Local team, local players in everybody. I'm going to go for my teams extra. So that's how we build the team. So we build the team, and day in, day out, no be sure more. The more I'm sure for matches now, more because every time they are there for each other, they train together, they know the tactics, the games they are going to play. And you say, we are there, I don't know 2 weeks, 1 week, you have a play away. But I don't know, we are trying on one. Excuse me, you know, say a players who do that because of a Buchino, excuse my word. Put me young Massam sound, job to do young campon, ye Massam doors. Oh, sir. Yes, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, kind of natural.
be Ghana ha campaign no ye potting biasa because nipa no fear go feel oba nkasa no who coach na oba nkasa excuse me nyene dey go nya broni coach always casting coach no
okay
always casting coach no and our fame is like anything good no always coach na oba coach no
and who say Black Stars no mo ba be pure my Ghana mu a aya na campaign no enye straight is it because aya na wo mu soro mu fi say be wo fi ba no asa wo mu modu e chen hadire eye soro na ya na wo show Black Star players nso mo timi campaign mo sa na na
oh and yes to me no mo timi kasa mo ba mo timi mi kan sa ye say we mo timi show mo so because mo do ba no de no ho e ka sika o sika ni bi ye ka ho fama it's like it's good nti o ba na say wo mu crop o get the same kusia so every time so go for coach there's no way who be beginning now and I will play and no sika say on coach
okay
by ya he na tu coach so Ghana
okay
nti ye coach ye bargaining powers ni wo form ti coaches na ngasa say say etu mo so mo yiro mo ye adwuma no ye ntia mo sa nti player na oba na wo sika ese no player coach no be coach no and the commands na he no be diso nti mo ba house because of no they are restricted there are things you not do any ukroma ball na oba bebo hweso na ball e bi say bi ni go wie party dey say ni na no nya over freedom wa buchira onya problem ye ma over freedom wa buchira I'm telling you above no man who is able to too much when you are there and making money there they find a means and ways to just make me uphold on Usika no and I show Usika ni na that's in reason black American or young American so go reason that's in skin and then I will tell you other fan so we have the likes of black Americans who come making outside the world no how did they end in this other player now bobo abrocha so show won so ye because when you say you are famous ninty excuse me the women or the ladies are getting closer to you have the opportunity to grab or do something. No, don't try it. They bring a trap. They bring a trap to bring you down. Ball here, party boy. Oh no, no, born or tunable. Obi and going to because with the case and the problem is
very traumatized.
You are very traumatized. They are not taught that's what will happen. So on to me, Bobano Kawayade, Sepati by a show seniority. About Chinoma, yes, or but to say yes, to so far no with Black Star we have a lot to do. And moreover, they interfere behind the scene and also.
Coach say Saturday what in a Jumacho say head coach the Magana. But Osanka say Black Stars you no any pitch so because when say talents be waha. It is a per se we need the starting free pitch lechi. Young quiet phone ye and son it's me ako say a couple
you know I've saluted this coach. My salute my respecting of Papa matured. And a very good coach. So, coach, ultimately, generally, no kind of crazy because definitely, you know, there are people around him. They did not buy a better percentage, a better say, and they will stop him from going. Let's manage and maintain you. Now, no money training. But what kind of credit said, no, I'm not doing good when he He came in for win. So, when you win, no, this is your problem. I mean, to me, so let me go. Because no matter how long I keep, this problem will be still there.
Okay.
It's about what I mean to me at you, a vision, and I didn't tell me coach him say, in the GD now, I mean, it is good. This one has left. A yes or no, because I respect no one or call the baby. Send a bear, Ghana Black Star. You see, who tells the local players who cannot help us? The local players can help us. When I said, go one baby, okay, for World Cup, players are all down, share Muda. What make you on board? What make you put the post safe? So it tells you, say, if we try to bring our local players together and make sure all the time they've been seeing themselves say, yeah, good players for Black Star team are here today. Foreign players are here. If you say Semenyo, it was fantastic. If you say Semenya was a Semenya, oh no, I learned I have to go and they have Nigeria Paraguay, so Togo. No, Ghana. So they were doing good. If it's a 2-year apply number 2, Nankasabe Muna. That rational number, not predator. Oh, indeed, we have good players that say, Emerald Sooner World Cup, they are good local players now. Say, foreign players, they will catch up very easily with the local players now. And say, you're foreign players, you'll be or better than Bobia. Because we'll be a foreign team, John, but we're playing your own skills of a body idea. But the local player, he wants to prove himself for the world. At least only team in Gobo. When I said about it, you know, and you couldn't home, if you're saying, you know, why did it SM for life? Why did it? There'll be a SM, young guys, the one you can't be Benasari. So it tells you that that's how we should groom our local players. Ono no go no so ni di if you ni bi o. Nti okoye de be kunu hu abo hye. Se na de o so ba o de coins be ba fi. Abe ni bi. Nti this contest na me I salute the coach say ono anka say we say enyo no nfum so a but the backbenchers no do so. For we ko we am a player. Na me de ba na say influence no because we were having good players at the bench than the players on the pitch. We were having good players at the bench than the players on the pitch.
Into also say because look say interference need also a interference no a player because send your worker say good players no more bench chain wo mu gina field ne so bono into no a coach no na di hwamo and say technical team no na amwa
any coach no di hwamo the coach can decide say be our first half no yen say you na you but be go for chiro say dey be manager san yen fa no go we san as ability no no captain team no abedu be na o captain na o to corner me hu bi da asamo jack that no to corner ono go put the chair go but captain corner bia o betu I tell you say just be to corner
say bia onu nim corner ni
mami on chair obi a corner tu a striker to score a goal na wa for Mbappe we can say Mbappe munia other players say who force they are showing their talent say they are strikers now they are midfielders now they who midfielder no mo o ko pe corner etu o ko pe o ti na fa pin ball je go. Oh, so a lot of mistakes. That only say the first half no is like a film. But said by my 70th minute to Zion, it made a film. He doesn't say all of the team. Mumo coach didn't say, who say, is he a first match? Any Panama or any team be a say no. You call first half the buyer no. Or say 1 or 2, 3 players. You buy nothing is not very firm. And the English shows are one goal. So it tells you say yeah, 2 years we can be better. You see that Black Star, them are your players. One thing I go to say, they were players. Yeah, if only we give the chance for the coaches to groom them, it will help us as a country. But they be a bear for favoritism with fair play away. Because it is even appearance fee for 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So I mean almost 10 billion. 10 billion each player. No, say we didn't buy 4 billion, 3 billion. So be our interest of the money, but not the work to be done.
Ade ba ko Ghana for so ese wo modwene ho mo ntiase Benjamin Masari goalkeeper no wo mo so mo hwe se fi se wo beda ye na bibia nkyere se wa mo ne ho modeni ade wa be show se ampa obetumi aye wa ya ma ye hu na ka crucial match to se Colombia ye hia win by all means a win ye hia na de akoye nimu no na etime ma Benjamin Masari akwakote na bench e de Atisigi start ye nkasa Atisigi enya de but for said Benjamin Masari na etime anda po nimu a Ghana fo bi kura chese so no kura da po mo ya na lucky e won ho se ball man so itika crucial match sa no go de ka yen fa bibia so nche na ka yen fa luck ne kura nya adwuma yen ka yen fa ne betum but ya fa na ma betum e no so ka ho bi ne ha Ghana yi o fo se sa decision
oh say obia be kan adwene but the Benjamin Masari so buy the different things to see yanka obenya ho be come adwene so vice versa ni na no I can say Atisigi did very well.
Okay.
Boy, the goal next year, no mistake. Okay. Defense in a boy. Because those who supposed to defend that very ball. No money. With the ball, the number you know, no. It's just say, and it's a ball comes a reflection also.
Okay.
It's a reflection ball abuse and as a guy not cross the ball to the net. Oh, it's like I think with this very much the oyadi. Or to experience. Because balls are up on chi, you know. Say, we will say, player behind the now so. Like we were saying, we based on the lucky. But team beyond which has the strategy album. Team were ever like it uncle for because not Colombia was they were chanting, they were doing everything. No more be bro. Only be heavy. Instead no more na when I said no ball the bar or person ball no back. On only point on time punches unless their ball airball be a numb maybe a cop back and they are punching there. But say ball airball straight so person check. But say always we no it's not that bad. Because ball never crucial. You punch the ball to somewhere that there. But your players to me to see there. This very much not say Obi Drink as a mistake. And you have to Zigi mistake. So like I said, Benjamin Masari and Tuzigi no. At least Benjamin Masari were having a day, were having a film, were having Obi will say he can do it. So it's part of the Black Star goalkeepers. It was a one sign in the air plus. Me woman dear, born and mentioning in I love Black Star, but Benjamin Masari didn't mention ball. I just want God to push him somewhere. No, so we're going to be free yet. Yes, we go to market in Gakuma station, the mate, ni Mason, ni Libra. It's like it tells you, you need to miss any power. Age, at any age, God can bless you. Say, let me see, Obey Shalawa, and you know, Obey Bra, then I'm going to say, Chichi, so for essence of your chin. It's your bread, and the entire year and then you're not doing the excuse me, opinion answer. Who are managing the little he will get. Now, what you mean, invest wisely. Because, and then when you're Black Star, or maybe I know when you're why is John Pencil? John Pencil is one. We have players that design favoritism. We have players we are young from my from. But favoritism, any some because any kind. Into a Black Star into India because above all they have money. So you can't influence anybody with money. Or bar not in the natural talent in the neighbor. And you secret in over. In Tibanas are now to move on. But Hano manager or manager will be in Zika. Near all link in a mount even that very appearance in Ukraine player do a honor and look at player. You do maybe a 3 billion or 4 billion instead of 10 billion. You can what tia and be doing so. In the tells you somebody is an also but with Benjamin Sari, he has proven himself.
Prophet Kofi Oduro say Ghana a football be year. I just say GFA or you deserve no you good GFA no na ye kopefufu. It's like only coach na some na more cano ya say yen start a bit so just say you won't say Ghana no ye any day after Kobono MY in 2030 person for World Cup you 4 years to build the team and kayenyi players or ya dear a local team nim. Na young campion mo saa 4 years young can try to buy them za buy 4 years e pese ko e bibi wo ye players yi set ni na afi ha na ye ko campion ti pay an ko mo je wo national local teams na wo mo bo no ye nya ne times bi abaye 4 na 5 crown farmer each player na ye ngumi mo saa 4 years no na ye form ko ne hwe sanse mi miru ye dissolve GF ni afa hofo na ye local players a campion 4 years ahead of 2030.
I was American with the shame say local place with me and they build the Black Star. One out there but dissolving the GFA, any GFA that will come, a big problem. Because you see, I'm buying different. Then Ghana buying so they know Ghana bank cannot interfere. All they have to do is bring their budget and the Ghana bank will give them the money. Just to go and manage their affairs.
So sell the budgets Ghana buying this can be more there. Send it to be an answer. A buying a support so it's any okay. So a buying cast one of budgets now. The one office can more so it is a true crucial moment. Yes, say ye football ye per se ye dear and other not buying no question that they buy a buying take a decision. It's other not baby agree so see it dissolve GF now a buying take a board decision on card for say country near India or person in football ye. It's a because next World Cup Ghana yen come or person to in football ye. It's a be a next 8 years.
Mommy, it won't be easy for a government to dissolve unless one finding problems or evidences on that very yes.
On a evidence here in now say Jeff in home
evidence
you make okay.
And what papa? Now say football fans now na you bomb kakra no and you say this and I so lucky coach na be so am say problem here actually back benches no actually back door na problem no na here players na problem no because the right players are there to be placed in the ball, but where we are on the interest, we are on the choice of player. Into dissolving the GFA, I don't think it can resolve it. But with the young players, who buy 2, 3, 4 years, can help to build a local team and help to build the local players, to become the good players that we want. Now at least, inviting some small few foreign players, no more local players, then they can give us the result we want. With only a year. But say resolve GFA there. Who dissolve they can't say. They will be on the same thing that they will do. And with the GFA they are going to dissolve there because the minister himself have all interest. The sports minister was interest. There are people in government who has interest. And what about the players we are talking of? Interest players, no. 1 minute they move back. Ministers now in Penivona be and this is Penivona be the over. But for party, me can this equal and this equal. Party Penivona be the players because of the percentage. When introduce you are down my room. The room we are. A bit appearance fee, you can say 100,000. Say among 100,000 appearance fee. Definitely, the 3 to 4 billion media. Obey you. Until obey the crack. Now, Kakavin about the cow. So it tells you, say, let me do the local place. I'm going why. Because me, they are saying, and so many. And I'm saying, so we are singing in one. You may have the money with me, baby. So can also hear. One money 2 money they don't want to be free there, and they know what you are no who they are. But can also hear there may be in so answer. The little billions that you bring down can help you revive and now revive his life and now survive with the system. So with the football, we need a local team that will help the Black Star. But the Alpha Bakobo, we Tama, and Mrasumbe 1 month, 2 weeks to
Honorable, you na Enra Brazil Kofi. Nowhere to me, I shall Brazil Mani Kofi. Portugal and Spain, agent Apono and Ne. Morocco, and so one African country. I born a homody Pasabri, Morocco, it's me at quarterfinals. The next match on the France and a Kwakushia. Morocco, African country did it. Let me this African in better Morocco, she said. I know she can't go to meet Sarah Hokano semi-finals from Africa continent. Oh, did this why not World Cup? Ubit me aje. Na Morocco so modern mobile.
Oh, World Cup really France need a must. France will be a World Cup.
Okay.
France beat me aje. But Morocco so obviously, yeah, as Africans we are proud of them. Where they've got into at least. And we so Morocco did not go to final. They be a cup not means.
Oh, okay.
Morocco
that's much of
they could share. Any problem? I don't know problem. France will one France. They have the good players. But me what they say there is no small team. Country they are a group of Mukwala. Yeah, then is a country local players need also. The make us a young Ghana hand for young local players no some fast. But other countries now they are good meaning. Now show players no more. The local players no. And then Brazil and Kofi. And then Brazil Kofi, Germany Kofi. Ask yourself why? Question mark. You should tell yourself now every country or the football now a part of it. Into football now and never be able to train there to put up for players. They go about maybe Mongolan players no one those days Brazil and in Brazil are those days Brazil. It tells you say they are still grooming. I say the youngs are grow till the old ones left by mono. I say so started to pick it from the local side. No, yeah, the few for your players are they are Kobosani and foreign players look at those too much. Master game. And also about no accommodate no for master game. Or the problem with Poguashe. Now you go to another Winsika. Indeed, we should try and then share Brazil, Germany, Black Star, Morocco, and come. And then young born by. And I am supporting Morocco. What I have quite oh, they're going no. GFA should not be dissolved. At least, among Shannon can once them. They put the right things in place. Not favoritism in football. In free. We should players of Ghana how the local league now players each team they are the players we are good being a defender being in midfielder being a goalkeeper from House of Folk and there so to me they are maybe local players.
Okay, honorable that's a far. I was I had a remark I'm ready to training in a Haji Farouk and a communication member at my NP when you're going to the amount of to check any football, Ghana Black Stars, and have a World Cup here, a costume to message. So, with your comments in our comment section, at the all the social media handles, too much GH process for like share, not before any crowd.